There's fuchsia color. Red girl. Say hi. Hi, Mommy. You're cute. You're cute. She's like, what else we got here? Oh, look at that face. Hey, purple boy. Pop, 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 pop. Oh, there's red collar. Sorry, dark blue collar. Gold collar. Oh, the welcoming committee. Hmm? Yes, you are. You do the welcoming committee. Green collar was probably the most reserved in the litter. But with some work, they all come around and get the same level. I always get asked that, oh, who's the most outgoing, who's the most this. If you work with them all the same, they end up being pretty uniform in temperament. Hey guys! Hi! I know you're there. I know you're there.